Amazon affiliate marketing made me $11,395 using YouTube just in 27 days from the first day of December until the day 27. The best part, it's simpler than you think. Stay with me because I'm about to show you the exact methods you can start using today to get the same result, okay? So first, for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with Amazon Associate affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to go to Google and search for Amazon Associate, okay? And click on the first link over here and you will be directly in this page. Click on sign up and here you go. Click over here on create your Amazon account, and as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first and last name, your email address, password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associate Affiliate Marketing. So what you will do next is you need to choose a good product that you will promote on YouTube. You cannot promote any product that you like or that you think it's gonna work. No, it doesn't work. This business doesn't work like this. You need to promote product that people are searching for on YouTube. So how you can choose product that people are searching for YouTube and will be interested to buy those products from you. So what you will do, you will go and open your YouTube homepage like this, okay? Just open your YouTube homepage like this. Why we choose YouTube? Because the potential of YouTube is, you guys don't know the potential of YouTube. YouTube is very powerful for those affiliate marketing businesses. If you want to start an affiliate marketing business, you should use YouTube because YouTube has 29 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from YouTube if you are promoting product that people are searching for. Millions of people every single day scrolling on YouTube, searching for products, searching for services, searching for topics, and so much more. And YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one, YouTube is number two. So what you will do, click on the search and they will ask best. Use YouTube search bar to search for what people are searching for, okay? This is exactly how we can find a good and trending product that will make you so much commissions. Best, watch this, okay? Best camera for YouTube, and here you go. I just put those keywords here and YouTube give me a report search prediction. YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for right now on YouTube. People are searching for best camera for YouTube videos, best camera for YouTube video shooting, best camera for YouTube vlogging, beginners, sheep, live streaming, shorts, and so much more. So those people who are searching for best camera for YouTube videos, they will be interested to buy this product. If we go to Amazon, go and open your Amazon account, click on the search and search for camera for YouTube. Search for this product. Scroll down and I want you to pay close attention in this step. You will find a lot of products here. How you can choose good products? Always check how many people paid for this product in the past month. You should, the product that you will use should get at least over 1,000 sales in the past month. So for example, like this one, over 3,000 people paid for this one in the past month, meaning that this one is good for you. So let's scroll down, we can find more. We have also this one, you guys can see this one. Over 2,000 people paid for this one in the past month. Limited time deal. This one has deal, so it's really good. Okay, so what I will do, I will choose, let's choose for example this one. I will click on this product. Just click on the product that you will use to promote it on YouTube. Scroll down and here you go. You will be directly in this Amazon product page. What you will do next, you guys can see that this Amazon product page has videos here, which is really good. So we need to download one video that we will use to promote this Amazon product on YouTube. Okay, so what you will do, you will go to Google Chrome. Okay, go over here to extension and go to visit Chrome Web Store, and you need to install this extension in your Google Chrome. This one, it's called Amazon Video Downloader. You guys can screen this name if you want. It's for free. You just need to click after you download this extension to your Chrome. Just click on the extension and you should see here the videos about this product that you want to use. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose one of those videos. Let's choose, for example, this one. I will click on download. I'm gonna download the second video. Just click on download, and here you go. Let me show you. You just need to wait. You will be directly in this Amazon Video Downloader page. You guys can see, and we have a video here, which is good. Let's check.
Hey, it's Jim Ed from the Improvement Channel. Today we're taking a look at this 8K Ultra HD camcorder. So let me show you what you get, how it works, all the fun stuff. You might be like me.
You guys can see this person is making a review, and he is explaining and he is showing the benefits of this product, okay, for people who want to buy camera for YouTube videos, to start YouTube. So what you will do, you just need to click on download video. Click on download video, and your video will be downloading to your laptop. Okay, and what you will do next, you need to edit this video on Canva. We will use Canva to edit the video, then we will upload the video to YouTube, and here you go, the video will be downloading to your laptop. It's done. What you will do next, you will go to Google and search for Canva. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and it's for free. Click over here on video. This will be your home page, and click on YouTube video, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload, and click on upload file. Click on upload file and upload the video that you download from Amazon. This one about this product camera. You guys can see. Click on open. Just click on open, and here you go. Click on your video, and your video will be over here, as you can see.
Hey, it's Jim Ed.
Okay, click on this 3 point and scroll down and click on set video as background, and here you go. Click on text. Okay, click on text and scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. I'm gonna use this one. Just click on the text style that you want to use. I will delete the second one and decrease the font size of this text like this, and put this text here and double click and write this sentence. Check. Okay, write this. Check link in my description. Check link in my description. Okay, and what I will do, I will make the title like this, and here you go. I will make it small like this. Okay, I will put this for you. Scroll down, go over here to ships and use this one. Make sure it's, and okay, I will make it in black color. I will click on color and I will choose black color. Okay, so to make it look so really good. Okay, and here you go. Put this ship behind your text, and that's it. You guys can see, and you have good video, okay, explaining the benefits of this camera for those people who are searching for best camera for YouTube videos. Okay, and this product is a lifetime product. A lot of people every single day can keep buying these products from you, and you will keep making commissions every single day. We have a lot of new people who want to start creating content, and they are searching for best cameras that they can use to start making content. Okay, maybe on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, any platform. So what you will do, you will click on share. After you finish, click on download, and this video will be downloading to your laptop. Go and open a YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, open a YouTube channel, upload this video, click on upload, upload this video to your YouTube channel. Use this title, best camera for YouTube videos. You can add 2025, okay, to make it the new, like it's new camera, it's new topic. Okay, use the same title, okay? Use those keywords that people are using to search for these topics, so your video can rank in the search. It's all about ranking your videos. If you can rank your videos in the first page of the search results, and you will get views from YouTube search, you will make a lot of money with this business model, okay? After you upload the video, in your YouTube description, write this sentence: if you are looking for the best camera for YouTube videos, check link below. Go back to this Amazon product page, okay? And click here on get link. And here you go. This is your Amazon affiliate link. Copy this Amazon affiliate link and put this Amazon affiliate link in your YouTube description. This is exactly how we can start promoting Amazon affiliate links on YouTube. And this is exactly how I'm making like this commissions every single month with Amazon Associate Affiliate Marketing using free traffic. I'm promoting product that people are searching for. I'm promoting product that people will be interested to buy. And I'm promoting also, guys, I want to explain this. Also, don't promote just one product. For example, this camera video, you cannot promote just this one, okay? For example, you guys can see this one is for $143. You can promote the ship products, from the ship product to do most expensive products about cameras, okay? Because you have people who can pay this price, and also there are a lot of people who can't pay this price for this camera. So you need to choose for those people also cheap product, but they will be also good for them to start content and start creating content for their YouTube videos, or TikTok or Instagram or any platform that they are using, okay? And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. For people who are asking, do you have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do have an Amazon affiliate marketing course that's covering everything, sharing with you how you can create content, how you will get access to my personal profitable product that I'm promoting that made me so much commissions, and they are still working. Those products are lifetime profitable, okay? Meaning that those products, people will keep consuming those products lifetime. So I hope it's clear. Like, those products are lifetime profitable. People keep consuming those products every, like, we have products that people can consume every week, every month, every day, and we have so much product. This is exactly what I have inside my course and so much more. You can reach out to me in my email address in my description. Also, you guys can use those methods that I'm sharing with you for free. You guys can see that it's working. I'm sharing with you the audience. I'm sharing with you people already searching for those products. I'm sharing with you how we can get videos. So it's super easy method, okay? Just need to stay consistent, do more research, and see you in my next videos. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comments.